This shit. Fucking. I gotta go to soccer practice, bro. We got this shit. This shit VA, bro. Don't play with this shit. Ooh. Damn, it's cold as fuck. Let me check if I got my soccer cleats in here, cause I don't wanna go to the soccer field without my shoes, bro. Let me see, bro. Don't worry, I got everything in my fucking shit. Alright, oh, right here. Oh, bet. I'm good. Let's go. Look at this shit, bro. Yeah. This shit's a track off. That shit's V8. Don't play. Bro, look at this shit. Look at the bump. This is the SRT bump, guys. Look. See that shit? I know that shit look fight. Don't play with the bumblebee. That's my mama's whip right there. Don't play that shit. That shit be moving, bro. Look at this shit. That's my mama's whip right there. That shit be moving, bro. Don't play with that shit, too. Let me go for a ride, nigga. Shit. I'm going to the fucking soccer field. Plus, I don't have gas in there, motherfucker. Look, bro, look. Don't, bro. Plus, look at this shit. I need to fix this thing or whatever. See that shit right there? Wait, let me zoom in real quick. See that? This one right here? I gotta fix that shit. Plus, look at this shit right here. No gas. Man, no gas, man. I'm cooked. So I'm gonna get to the gas station, buy gas real quick, and keep going, okay? Let's go. So, yeah. Bro, look at this nigga driving fucking slow, bro. Come on, bro. You gotta speed up, bro. I don't like people who driving slow, bro. Shit. Oh, this shit moving, nigga. Oh, fuck. I need to chill out, bro. I need to chill the fuck out, bro. Shit, cause this bitch. Cause, you know, I gotta fix this steering wheel. Cause, you know. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Shit. This shit be spitting, nigga. Don't imagine I put this motherfucker on sport mode right now, bro. I'll be flying, bro. Come on, dog. I'll be flying for sure, bro. Is there the police behind me? No, I don't think so. No. Shit. Bro, imagine if I get pulled over again, bro. I'm cooked for sure. I'm going to jail for 2 years. Oh, that's a fucking 12 right here. Oh, no, hell no, it's not. Oh, shit, man. Don't play with this motherfucker, bro. This motherfucker be moving, bro. Stop playing with this shit, bro. Damn. I need to put sound on this shit, bro. For sure, I gotta put sound on it. Plus, I'm gonna get a detonator, so that shit finna be crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. Fuck yes. Oh, fuck. The fucking last, nigga. Shit. We're out here, nigga. Speeding, you motherfucker. We're speeding this bitch. Hey, police, if you watch my videos, I don't speed. I'm a good boy. I'm just fucking it. Hell no, fucking you want this. Oh shit, let me see. Do they got purple on here? Oh fuck! Should I tell him to run it, bro? Let me check behind me real quick. Oh shit, man. The fucking tire spin, bro. Damn, nigga. Oh fuck. Shit. No fucking way, bro. Shit, nigga. I hope you guys heard that shit, bro. I mean, hear that shit. Oh, Jesus Christ. Fuck yes, bro. O-N-G. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I gotta go get gas real quick. Because this motherfucker, I don't think, bro. Look. See that shit? Yeah, I gotta go get gas, bro. Put in fucking gas in there, I think it's done.